Hi, my name is 11. This is my shop. And this is my best friend. Her name is Meanie. I mainly make a living by selling snacks. My shop has many customers every day. But Minnie's store is very lonely. Because she is lazy. Sometimes I have to guard the store for her. Although there are many customers in my shop every day. But there are some fake customers inside. It's him. He is a famous local street gangster. He doesn't give money every time he eats. For his bad behavior, there will always be some righteous cats to help. Although the business of the store is very good, but I'm still a poor cat. It can't go on like this. I also want to buy a car. Still want to buy a house. So I began to find another way out. At first, I wanted to collect waste products for money, but I found it too inefficient. Later, I changed my career and became a tutor, although the income is good. However, the students are really naughty. But parents gave too much money. So the days passed by. No mistake. That cat is me. This is the result of my 2 years of hard work. I put on the most expensive clothes. I live in the most expensive house. Using expensive mobile phones. Promoted the cat who helped me. And my lazy friend. And lived with me. From the original small store. Up to now, single family villas. I'm not saying this to show off. I want to tell you. Happiness is earned by oneself. I hope you can be like me. Lead a better life earlier.